Are you wondering which app is better for keeping track of your family or finding your way around? Today, we are diving into Life360 versus Google Maps. Both of these tools help with navigation and location sharing, but they serve different purposes. Life360 is all about family safety and connection. It lets you see where your loved ones are in real time. Google Maps, on the other hand, is focused on directions and exploring new places. Let's start with Life360. This app offers features like location sharing, driving reports, and alerts when family members arrive or leave certain places. It's designed to keep families connected and safe. You can even create private groups to chat and share locations. Now, let's talk about Google Maps. This app is a powerful navigation tool. It provides driving, walking, and biking directions. You can search for nearby restaurants, gas stations, and more. Google Maps also offers real time traffic updates, which helps you avoid delays on your journey. So, what are the key differences? Life 360 is all about family, safety, and communication, while Google Maps focuses on navigation and discovering new locations. If you want to keep track of your family members, Life 360 is the way to go. But if you need directions or want to explore, Google Maps is your best bet. When it comes to features, Life 360 shines with its family oriented tools. Google Maps excels in navigation and local search. As for pricing, Life 360 has a free version, but some features require a subscription. Google Maps is free to use with no hidden costs. In the end, if you're looking to stay connected with family, choose Life 360. If you want reliable navigation and local info, stick with Google Maps. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.